Hey guys, it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to click subscribe and hit the bell for the notifications to stay up to date. Hi guys, this week's lesson is going to be on the chord A minor. So to play the chord A minor, we're going to use the fingers number 1, number 2 and number 3. The same finger pattern that you used for the E major chord, the E. Just move it down one string. That is A minor. So take finger number 1 on string 2 on fret 1 and press down. Take finger number 2, skip one string, go to the 4th string on the 2nd fret and press down. Now take finger number 3, also on the 2nd fret, right in between the 3rd string, and press down. Now play from 5 to 1. That is the chord A minor. Make sure to mute the top E with your thumb. So now that you know the chord A minor, you can even make up more songs. It's a very, very versatile chord, so use it. And that's it for this week's lesson, guys. Make sure to click subscribe as always. Hit the notification bell to not miss anything happening on this channel. Join us on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks. And also, click and like the Facebook community page. I'll see you guys next week.